Hey everyone, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download a folder from a GitHub repository specifically from the ASP.NET Core repo. But don't worry, this method works for pretty much any GitHub folder. To demonstrate, I'll use the ASP.NET Core Blazor Web C# template source folder. Hope this quick guide will help you to get subfolder from GitHub repository. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to help me creating more tutorials like this. Let's start by searching for ASP.NET Core source code. You'll see a bunch of results pop up. Right here, we have a direct GitHub link. You can click on any of these, but I'm going to go with the one at the top inside the Copilot box. Click on this. Now we're inside the GitHub repo. If you click the green code dropdown, you'll see several options: clone, open with GitHub Desktop, or download zip. But I'm not trying to download the whole thing, it's a massive repository. What I really want is just the project template. So let's dive into the SRC folder. Scrolling a bit, and there it is, just click on it. Inside here are more folders. Let's open up web.project templates. Then content. And finally, here it is, the folder we're after, Blazor Web C#. We want to download the contents of this folder. It includes 3 folders and a file. Now, you'll notice there's no download button for just this folder. So how do we get it? Here's a simple visual trick to grab it. We need to change this URL to sandbox mode. For this demonstration, I will use New tab, copy the URL of this folder, paste it into a new browser tab. Now, right after the B in github.com, type the word box, so it becomes githubbox.com. Hit enter, and the folder will load inside Code Sandbox. It's loading. You'll see the same folder structure and solution file on the left side. Now hover over Nodebox on the left panel, and you'll spot a download button. Click that, and boom. You've got the whole folder. Click to open it. Inside the .zip file, there is a folder with no name, actually one symbol, the underscore character for the name. Just double-click to open it. See, it has all the contents we want. Hope this quick guide will help you to get subfolder from GitHub repository. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to help me creating more tutorials like this.